I know you're super sick about hearing about Libra and everything. Trust me, I'm not going to talk about that, but I want to get things straight, okay? Today we're going to talk about currencies, and currencies have one purpose. It's a way of payment, okay? It's a currency, it's money. That means it's a unit of account, it's easy to calculate, easy to how much things are, and a way to transfer value between goods and services of different people. That's why we need currency. That's what we're talking about today, currencies. However, as the world's been getting very digital, we've got Facebook coming up with this coin, we've got Bitcoin that's like super popular in the space. There is a difference, and I want you guys to know that, okay? So we're going to talk about currencies. There are two types of currencies in this digital space. That means currency that's not physical. I've got like a 5p coin, but I've got my piggy bank. So currencies that are not physical but digital. There are two types. Firstly, it's cryptocurrency, which is Bitcoin. Secondly, it's digital currency. Digital currency is nothing new. It's just a virtual currency that exists on your phone, on your computer, or whatever. Digital currency is not new. The first digital currencies are being used in games. So online games, World of Warcraft, and all that kind of games. And I will have to say that Facebook's coin is not a cryptocurrency, but a digital currency. Before you start getting mad at me, and before you start closing, because I promise not to talk about the coin, I want to talk about currencies, and I'll give you 4 factors to define what cryptocurrency is and how cryptocurrency is different from digital currency. Digital currency is a big bubble. It's a category, so like desserts. And cryptocurrency is a small part of it, which is cakes. So cakes is part of dessert. Cryptocurrency is part of digital currency. Firstly, cryptocurrency is decentralized. So decentralized means that it's not held by small entities. It's held by people in the community. It's decentralized. It's distributed. Distributed ledger technology, the underlying technology, it means that it's distributed. You can, if you're only going to say that I want to have just 10 super nodes being the one organizing everything and being the governance body, then, my friend, it's a digital currency, not a cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency has to be decentralized. Second, it has to be encrypted with cryptography. This is pretty much expected because cryptocurrency, you need cryptography in there. Some digital currency have cryptography as well. It's just one of the levels of security. Next is censorship resistance. It has to be censorship resistant because that's the whole premise of this Bitcoin, right? You want to go against central authorities, you want to go against the big authorities that are probably abusing their power, and it has to be censorship resistant. I don't want to go on a long rant I don't want to talk so much about Libra, but censorship resistant is very important. And lastly, no central authority runs the network or can change the rules of the game. So something that I've been preaching on and on about with token economics is setting the rules of the game through mechanism design. This can be through decentralized governance, allocation mechanism, all the kind of mechanisms that can be either baked in the code or put into or voted by participants in the network. So you have like MakerDAO, when there's a change in stuff, you can change the code. Some parts can be changed in code, some parts allows the decentralized voters or NPR holder voters to vote on things. So there is no central authority that runs the network and can change the rules of the game anytime they want. And that's the whole idea of cryptocurrency. It's decentralized, everyone gets to hold it, no central authority gets to define the future, gets to define the rules of the game. And if your currency has a central authority that can change the rules of the game, that can define the rules of the game, my friend, that is digital currency and not cryptocurrency. Maybe we'll have a new name for that in the future, but right now we just call it digital currency, okay? And no rants of Libra at all. And till then, bye!